The approach that engineers use to try to reduce emissions from the engines is to calibrate our engines to run very clean, and then to place what we call catalysts into the exhaust to try to complete the combustion of those fuels before those gases are emitted into the environment. As catalysts age, they become less efficient at converting the pollutants that are emitted from the engine. Southwest Research Institute has been working on a burner-based aging system for the last 10 years. We have developed this system through internal research funding. We have proven that this burner-based system provides us with equivalent aging to engine-based systems. Focus is an alternative approach to engine-based aging that allows us to achieve higher temperatures efficiently and safely compared to an engine-based system. This reduces the time and the cost and the risk associated with thermal aging.